As the world's leading Grand Prix monohull circuit, the 52 Super Series celebrates its 10th anniversary in 2022, and it opens at a brand new venue, beautiful Baiona, on the rugged Atlantic coast of Galicia, up in northwest Spain. It's going to be all on from day one in Baiona. The action will be intense all the way through the season. We've got a new team in Team Vayu from Thailand who put a toe in the water at the Invitational in Puerto Portales in the summer. They raced in Menorca and they loved it so much doing the full circuit this year. And so the ABANCA 52 Super Series Baiona Sailing Week, the first of two back-to-back Atlantic regattas, offers the promise of good winds out on the Atlantic and new challenges, but on shore a very warm welcome, all part of the appeal of coming to Galicia.